Welcome, future lawyers. Today we are not telling the cute story of study law, do an internship, get a license. Today we enter the dark exam of the robe. Criminal networks, sold evidence, sold secrets, and justice turned into business. A lawyer's job is to defend to the logistics department of crime, not to become the descent escactred. But using the robe to polish illegal work is not law, it is professional darkness.
Some lawyers are not legal advisors to criminal networks. They become the tie-wearing shield, polite on the phone, serious in court, dirty in the back room, outside a law office, inside crime's call center.
The favorite sentence of the dark lawyer is, "I only prepared the papers." Beautiful. But what do the papers hide? Whose money cannot become wallpaper, which for company, what purpose? A legal document for crime.
Crime money does not always arrive in a dirty sack. It can arrive as a company share and consulting contract, an investment vital, or when the lawyer joins that machine, law becomes laundry.
Client confidentiality protects the right to defense. It does not exist to hide crime plans, pressure witness, or bury evidence. It is a shield for justice, not an invisibility cloak for darkness.
A lawyer enters prison for the right to defense, not to carry forbidden items, move secret messages, or circulate criminal orders. The robe may open the door. Without ethics, the profession dies behind it.
Dark offers do not always arrive with a money bag. Sometimes there's a small package and 1 cent. Just deliver it. No. A lawyer is not a courier, especially not the courier of crime.
Some bad lawyers turn defense meetings into communication tunnels. Orders out, threats in, robe in the middle. At that point, it is no longer the right to defense, it is criminal traffic.
Destroying evidence is not defense strategy. Hiding documents, deleting records, coaching lies, or creating fake papers, that is not legal intelligence. It is sabotage against justice.
Some people prepare documents not to show truth, but to dress lies beautifully. Dates go backward. Signatures appear like miracles. Folders shine. But a fake document is fake, even an expensive folder.
Window.
Preparing a witness is one thing. Writing a story for witness is another. Court is not a theater stage, and the lawyer is not the director of lies.
Some lawyers do not defend rights. They subcontract fear. Threatening victims, journalists, workers, or small owner pressure turns the shield of law into the stick of the powerful.
In the dark legal world, some lawsuits are not filed to win. They are filed to exhaust, scare, and silence. Law exists to protect rights, criticism, not to bury legal concrete.
Some lawyers work less with legal knowledge and more with a phone book. I have connections becomes the sales pitch, but connections are not law. Promising outcomes through acquaintances is courthouse brokerage.
If a lawyer says, "I know the judge, I know the prosecutor, I will solve the file," the smell of law decreases and the smell of swamp rises. A real lawyer moves a case with evidence, not fairy tales.
In some places are hunt. Hospital corridors, police station doors, act in surroundings. Pay the broker, catch the client. That is not a profession. It is a customer market built on pain.
Approaching people before the shock has even passed.
Approaching people before the shock has even passed. I can get your compensations and saying not legal service. It is business in the shadow of an ambulance.
One of the biggest dark markets is migrant hope. Guaranteed visa residence, I have a connection. People selling fear and future in a package are not loan sharks of hope.
Money collected for a client is a sacred trust. Unclient-coded trust.
Charging fees is a right. but vague, surprise expenses, prafigs, inflated houred costs, and not professionalism. The client came for legal hours, not a financial fog puzzle.
In some offices, the clock is measuring time. It is measuring imagination. 5 minutes becomes 3 hours, a short email becomes crisis management, and the bill grows while trust shrinks.
Darkness does not only clients. In some firms are consumed. No sleep, low pay, invisible labor, constant humiliation. The robe outside says justice. Inside, a small empire may be running.
You're not interned.
A legal intern is a future professional engine. If a firm gives only workload, no training, it does not raise a lawyer. It raises someone broken by the profession.
We know. Light fact. Some people use seniority not to share knowledge, but to crush people. I suffered, so you must not legal culture. It is intergenerational mobbing in a suit.
One of the darkest rooms in the profession is abuse of power. Pressure, harassment, hints, career threats against interns, young lawyers, or staff. That is not a law office. It is a silence factory.
Conflict of interest is one of law's poisonous minds. Crited and Boatdether, company at both sin and rival, victim, unat both sides and accused. Playing both sides ends with trust collapsing.
I will not name them, but I will not name them.
Saying I will not name them does not make a story ethical. City, job, family details pattern. A client's secret compliant is not dinner entertainment.
Turning case results into fame, using client messages as trophies, making the courthouse a content studio. It may bring followers, but it can break the spine of the profession.
Some lawyers read the camera more than the file. They give verdicts on everything and perform certainty like theater. Law does not move with studio noise. It moves with file discipline. Enough.
AI can help, but it cannot retire the lawyer's brain.
Unchecked petitions, precedents, fake law, wrong may give speed, invented decisions. Technology still belongs to lawyer.
In the digital age, keeping secrets is not only closing your mouth. Laptop, email cloud, e-signature staff access, all need confidentiality, cannot wander inside an unlocked folder.
Legal writing exists to defend rights, not to psychologically drown the other side. Some documents are threats wearing legal language. Lawyering should not become the powerful person's pen-shaped bullion.
A lawyer who promises a guaranteed lottery tick. 100% win, sells law like a win, the judge is ours. These are not confidence, they are red alarms.
We are ready. Some cases are executed on social media before court. A lawyer may think public pressure is strategy, but not every microphone serves the chatty. Sometimes the strongest defense stays away from the camera.
A criminal lawyer may defend someone accused of the heaviest crimes. That is required by the rule of law. But defending is helping crime is another. A good lawyer protects that line every day. The real lawyer's answer is clear. I do not hide evidence. I do not invent witnesses. I not carry forbidden items, money. I not sell client secrets. The robe is not crime's costume.
If you want to become a lawyer, do not only learn law. Ask yourself, what is your relationship with power? With money? With money? Can you refuse secrets? Can you profession's character first?
People go to lawyers in their darkest hours. Accusation, divorce, deportation, fear. A lawyer does not carry a file. Bank justice, death. A lawyer carries human trust. Real lawyer is not a criminal network's tie-wear prison curtains cleaner, meat-and showman, client hunter, bully of young Harkness. Because lawyering is not only knowing the law, it is having the spine to reject what hides behind it.